3. You should be looking at week 2 maths. It's the 4th lesson, so it's Thursday today. Let's have a look at our maths learning for today. Oops. So your learning objective for today is that you can divide 2-digit numbers by a 1-digit number. So to shine today, you're going to partition and recombine a 2-digit number into tens and ones. You're going to start to divide the tens first and then the ones, and divide numbers that involve exchanging between the tens and ones. The answers do not have any remainders, so they share equally. As always, to wake up our brains, our bodies, and get ready for our learning, pause the video, go over to the BBC Bite Size Division with Homegrows and have a little dance and sing to Super Movers. Don't forget to pause this video. Excellent, well done everybody for having a go at the Super Movers. You must be experts now. What you'll need today for your learning are these 2 sheets, a pencil, and if you're still finding your 2 size 10s, 3s, 4s and 8 times tables really tricky, have your multiplication square available as well, because we'll be looking at our division methods that we have been learning. Before we do so, this is your arithmetic 5 a day. These are all questions that we have learnt to answer in year 3. So pause the video, have a go at these 5 questions. Well done, superstars. You have finished your 5 a day. Let's go through some of these answers. So 460 add 404 is 864. 732 take away 401 is 331. 10 times 8 is 80. 22 divided by 2 is 11, and 4 times 6 is 24. If you got some of those answers correct, give yourself a pat on the back. Superstars. Okay, for today's lesson, we are going to recap some of the division methods that we have used in our previous lessons. Here we have 48 divided by 4. We can divide 48 into 4 equal groups using a place value grid. Here's our place value grid with our 4 parts. We start by dividing the tens. We can place 1 10 in each part of the grid. Then we can divide the ones. We can see that each group has 1 10 and 2 ones. So 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. You might have used the partitioning method. Here we've got 48 and we partition them into tens and ones. So 48 partitions into 40 and 8. Then divide each part by 4 separately. So 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. We recombine those 2 parts to total 12. Now let's look at this question. 42 divided by 3. Here's our 42 and here's our place value grid with 3 parts. Remember, when we divide, we always start with the largest place value, and in this case, it's the tens. We can put 1 10 into each part, but we have 1 10 left. Can we put that 10 here? Oh, hello, Tiny. Yes, you are right. Those groups are not equal. We have 1 part with 2 tens and 2 parts with 1 10. So that can't be right, can it? I know what we can do. That's right, we can exchange that last 10 for 10 ones. Let's do that now. Now we can divide the 12 ones equally between the 3 parts. All 3 parts now have 1 10 and 4 ones. So 42 divided by 3 is equal to 14. Let's just recap what we did. If we partition 42 into tens and ones, then we have 40 and 2. 40 and 2 are not easy to divide by 3. So instead, we exchanged one of the tens for 10 ones. Now we have 30 and 12. We still have 42 altogether, but 30 and 12 can both be divided easily by 3. Oops. Here's one for you to try. 39 divided by 3 and 42 divided by 3. Pause the video here and have a go. Let's have a look at this using the partitioning method. So let's start with 39 divided by 3. We partition 39 into 30 and 9 and divide each part by 3. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. We recombine the two dividing parts, so 39 divided by 3 is equal to 13. So what happens when we divide 42 divided by 3 using this method? Usually we would partition the 42 into tens and ones. So 40 and 2, but we can't easily divide 40 by 2, 40 or 2 by 3. So instead, we partition the 42 into, that's right, 30 and 12. We've exchanged one of our tens into 10 ones. We still have 42 altogether, but each part is now easily divisible by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 and 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Let's recombine those two dividing parts. So 10 add 4 is equal to 14. So 42 divided by 3 is 14. So I would like you now to have a go at your worksheet. Can you use the flexible partitioning method to help you complete the questions? Good luck. Pause the video now. Well done. You should have done that. And here are your answers for your practice. Question 1. So pause the video and just have a look at those. Okay, this is now your question. So let's start with 51 divided by 3. How can we partition 51 into two groups that will easily divide by 3? 50 and 1? No. 40 and 11? No. 30 and 21? Yes. Because 30 is 10 times 3 and 21 is 7 times 3. So I know that each will divide by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is 10 and 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So 51 divided by 3 is equal to 17. What about 96 divided by 4? You might have partitioned this into 80 and 16, like we did with the base 10. So 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 96 divided by 4 is equal to 24. I'm going to show you one more method, another way of also solving this. So you might consider partitioning 96 into 3 parts. So 40 and 40 and 16, that's still 96 altogether. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. And 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So let's recombine those dividing parts. 10 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 24. I wonder which method you used. Have a go at your worksheet. So pause the video now. Have a go at the rest of your worksheet. Well done, you should have had a go at that worksheet. Here are the answers. So pause the video again and just mark your answers. And then finally for your extra challenge, there are 2 true and false challenges here. Are they true? Are they false? So pause the video and answer those questions if you wanted an extra challenge. Okay, that's all for today. Well done. You're being absolute superstars. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.